Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to stabilize videos in CapCut PC. So for us to be able to proceed, what we need to do first is to import the clip that we want to go ahead and stabilize. So for example, we're gonna use a certain video. So I have imported it already, but if you haven't onto your end, just simply click onto the import button in here to browse onto your different files and to add it in here. Now to add this onto the timeline, just simply click onto this blue icon to add a track. So let's do a quick preview on how the video looks like before we go ahead and stabilize this. So as you can see, it's a little bit shaky. And for us to be able to go ahead and stabilize this, we're going to click onto the video that we have added. And then right after, here onto the right side, we're just going to go ahead and scroll down here on video under basic. We should be able to find in the option to stabilize. So we're just going to click onto this button in here to turn this one on and it will go ahead and process. So there are different levels for this one, the recommended, minimum cut, and most stable. So we're just going to use the recommended for this and we'll wait for this one to be processed. Now, as you can see, the video has a stabilized word already in here since we've gone ahead and already added the stabilize option for that. Now, if you play the video, as you can see, it is less shaker than the original one that we have earlier. So that is just basically it, how you stabilize a video in CapCut PC. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.